Right, so today we got a Bright BTR Stage 4 NSR cam going in this lovely Trailblazer.
I wish they were lovely.
Was it an easy install, Oscar?
No, install, yes. Just fuck all this shit.
So this cam is it is a 224/230 cam. It does not need any springs or push rods to work. This truck does have headers. Has a built trans with a 32 yank. Oh no, it's not a yank, it's a Circle D. Circle D converter. It actually came off the shorty. So right now, once we get it buttoned up, we'll update you. Over here we got another truck Norris cam swap. We also dropped this truck a while back. It's a 6.8 drop on a 285/35 Needle G2 tire. So on this one, we're just waiting on the headers to come in to finish it up and turn it into the client. Not sure what exhaust it has. This one, Oscar recently did a V6 to V8 swap, and now has a LQ. What is it? LQ9 or LQ4? Ah, okay. It's a 6.0. So we're just waiting on the drop kit to come in and the tires to. We're gonna be dropping this one too. 4.6. We got another silver one, taquitos. 4 single cab silver birch. This one we're gonna be fixing the bumper, and we're also gonna be dropping it 6.8. Also waiting on the parts for that one to come in. I did put the platinum mirrors on the Ford, but I'll get better video once I wash it. Alright, so everything's ready. Just uploading the new tune. And we'll turn her on and let her warm up and go give her a couple hits, see how it feels. That's dangerous, bro.
Safety lizard. Hey, don't take your car to a shop with a dead battery, please.
Yes, please. Take notes, guys. Take notes. Alright, so motor is done. Now we're just waiting on the trans. has a stamp. Ahí quedó, nomás que tiene un O2 sensor jodido y el map sensor, so we're gonna have to change those out before we can test it out.
¿Cuál es el de check engine esa? Let's see what we got here.
Decided to get some runs.
Still has some adjusting to do.
Fíjate que mira el video yo sé.
Me va a cobrar el gas.
Me va a cobrar el gas el perro.
Sí.
Ya jaló, mira, ya jaló, está medio tanque.
Didn't mean to embarrass you like that.
Ahora sí va a patinar. Sigue de las de negro.
Hombre, muy chingo de tráfico aquí. Aquí vienen los kiddos de school.
Estas son las de negro.
Ahí están, de las pasadas.
¿Están no? Or here?
No, ve las pasadas.
Alright, let's see what she got. That'll be it for now. See y'all next time.